John, please stop making videos. Every time I accidentally stumble across one of your fucking videos, I get so pissed just because, first of all, I fucking hate losers. I hate douchebags who don't get any ass from girls. Okay? I especially hate douchebags who don't get any ass from girls who think they're fucking cool. Alright? No one cares what you think. You're the ugliest person I've ever seen. Okay? You're like fucking 40, dude. Get off YouTube. Alright? Go keep building that fucking cat post you have in the background. I see you got a lot of pussy around, but no human pussy, huh? Fucking cat post? A fucking cat post? You have a cat post in your fucking... A nice one. Like a nice cat post. Like it's a bad... Like I am jealous of the cat post you have in your house. You're a faggot. Alright.